Feeling trapped by your malfunctioning garage door? You're not alone. Many face this frustrating issue. The top reasons for a garage door refusal to open include broken springs, opener failures, and track obstructions. Weather changes, worn-out parts, or misaligned sensors often result in garage door malfunctions in Fort Worth, Texas. Have you noticed a gap in your garage door spring? This could be a sign it needs urgent repair. A disconnected or malfunctioning opener can cause the door to remain motionless despite the motor running. Modern garage doors feature safety sensors. If misaligned, they could be blocking your door's movement unintentionally. Damaged or bent tracks can lead to serious issues, causing the door to get stuck when you need it most. Worn-out cables might spell disaster for your garage door's functionality, making professional assistance crucial in these cases. If troubleshooting fails, it's essential to call a qualified technician for safe and expert garage door repair services. Maintaining your garage door can prevent many issues, ensuring smooth operations and security for your home and family.